Right. Now we are going to deal with the differentiating a quadratic function from the first principle. So in this case, you are given fx, which is equal to 3x squared, and you are required to determine the first derivative using the definition or using the first principle. So here comes our solution. As always, our step number one, copy the given function. So our fx is equal to 3x squared. Our second step, let us get our f of x plus h. So it means wherever there is x in the original function, we are going to substitute by x plus h squared. So this is going to be equal to 3. Then we do our expansion, means we have to revisit expanding a binomial by a binomial. So if we are to go there, expanding, we need to expand this part, which is squared. Please take note, you must not put the 3 inside before squaring, because BODMAS talks of removing brackets. It means this thing which is here, it can be written as 3x plus h, x plus h. So we are going to have 3 open bracket, this times the x, we are going to get x squared. This times the h, we are going to get plus xh. Every first term is multiplied everything in the second bracket. Then we move here. This and this hx is the same as xh. So we are going to put plus xh. Then this last terms plus h squared. So it means this becomes 3 open bracket x squared plus x h plus xh. These are like terms, so we are going to have 2xh plus h squared. So it means this will be equal to 3 open bracket x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Then expanding that, we are going to get 3x squared plus these terms, this it becomes a 6xh plus this, and this is going to give us 3h squared. So we have simplified. We now move to step number 3. Our step number 3 is going to be f x plus h minus fx. But this, we have it here. It's giving us 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared. Then we subtract fx, which is the given function, is 3x squared. This will result to this term in bracket, everything in bracket will move, will be gone because it's going with this one. So we are left with the 6xh plus 3h squared. If we check, we have a common factor h there. So there, let's just factor out the h, not highest common factor. Let's just factor out the h. So h 6x plus 3h. We close bracket. From there, we move to step number 4. Step number 4, we are now copying the correct formula So the correct formula is f prime of x equal to limit as h approaches 0. Then we are having fx plus h minus fx all over h. But the numerator here, we already simplified it on top. So this becomes lim h approaches 0, but the numerator, we now take that it's h, open bracket, 6x plus 3h all over h, which is going to give us lim as h approaches 0. The h and the h will divide. So we'll be left with 6x plus 3h. But we have to know that. But as our age is approaching 0, meaning to say our age is getting smaller and smaller, is approaching 0, it means this part, 6x plus 3h, is going to approach what? It's going to approach 6x, because the part 3h is going to approach 0. So this whole function, this one, is going to approach 6x. Therefore, our f prime of x is going to be equal to 6x. Thank you.